What if I told you that you could earn a college degree while you are still in high school? Our early college program provides this opportunity for high school students to obtain college credits, saving money and time.
This program gave me a head start on my college experience. I was able to graduate high school while also earning 2 associate's degrees. I'll be able to get my master's degree within 5 years of graduating high school.
We've seen students that have come in as timid and shy sophomores and have graduated being empowered students with an abundance of confidence.
There's a lot of flexibility in time and scheduling. When I was going to a traditional high school, there was a lot of stress and anxiety. After I switched to the early college program, a lot of those issues completely turned around.
I would recommend the early college program because you save so much money. It's less stressful and you just get such an amazing head start.
The early college program allowed me to have the belief and the confidence to go into any field.
What sets our school and our program apart from traditional schools is that we provide a personalized educational path to our students while guiding them on their early college journey.
Being able to set a goal, write out some practical steps that you can take to achieve that. Those skills that my counselor taught me, and those are skills that I'm using now, and they're skills that I will use throughout my entire life.
That gave me a clearer path to what can be, and I feel like everything is achievable now.
We didn't know much about it. Our daughter brought it to us at the end of her freshman year, and it was an amazing program for her. It fast-forwarded her 4-year college. She had a completely wonderful high school experience, was able to work, and had communication with professors. Now as she goes in as an 18-year-old junior, she's already had those experiences, and so she's pretty far ahead in traversing 4-year college.
I would definitely recommend this program for anyone who feels like traditional schooling is not the best fit for them.
Going through the early college program has allowed me to enjoy my college experience, so I can't recommend it enough.
If you're looking to get more out of your high school experience and earn college credit at the same time, look no further than Metro East Web Academy.